What's happening, my people? It's your boy JD Trades, and I'm bringing you today's market outlook. So, what can we see happen so far in terms of price? We've actually had the dollar come down a little bit yesterday. Okay, so this is yesterday's candle. We did finish the doji. We are currently pulling back there on the dollar. Okay, and that's perfectly fine. We can definitely retest lower, in terms of this low to this high. We have made a new high, so a pullback can come anywhere inside of this range's low to the high. Okay. So at the moment, I don't really have a picture for the dollar. I don't have a picture for what the dollar, a clear bias, a clear indication of what the dollar wants to do for the time being, and that's perfectly okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna play off of the other factors that we can use, such as Euro USD and also pound dollar. So we do have Juneteenth today. Okay, it is a US holiday. 19th of Wednesday. We've had CPI data come out for the pound. It's actually worse than expected. Interesting enough. Okay, for the month of May. 0.3%. Actually, no. The forecasted was 0.4%. So the data is slightly better than the forecasted data. Next, we have New Zealand dollars GDP data coming out later today. So the only real main setup that I have for you guys is this 4-hour area on pound dollar. Okay, so looking at a pullback to then get some more shorts to take out these lows. So we'll see if we do actually manage to get that play sometime today. Next up is Euro USD. So Euro USD is continuing to rise, and from looking at this, it does look like we may actually return all the way back up to previous areas we sold from prior. I wouldn't be surprised if we test this New York session candle here. Okay, this 1 hour New York session open. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually go back up to test said area before we look for some more moves. Next up is gold. Gold has in fact pushed up once again. Okay, we are kind of stuck within this range's low to high. Now, as I said to you, start of the week on the daily picture, I do want to see it actually take out. I do want to see it take out Wednesday, 12th of June's high first before I can actually, really cement that short in picture, that short in perspective that we all have. Okay, so for the time being, I don't have any setups for gold, I'm afraid. Setups have been few and far between. Like I said to you guys, like, look, Monday's a no trade. Tuesday there may potentially be a trade. Wednesday is potentially also a no trade day. Okay, but we'll still analyze New York session and see what happens. Then we have Thursday, okay, which is going to be a blockbuster day out of all the days of the week, and Friday. Okay, those 2 days are going to be the best days for you to look for volume, look for entries in the market, in my humble opinion. Next up is Bitcoin. Bitcoin does look set to keep dropping down lower. We've just had price pull back up and continue to drop yesterday. We are getting closer and closer to that 63K mark, so that is the next area to look for some longs for BTC. With that being said, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to join my free Telegram chat where I do post a lot of trades, a lot of trade setups, a lot of analysis and education. Don't also forget to follow up my other social media platform if you want to keep up to date with all the content. And with that being said, thank you for watching. And always remember the theory behind the practice. Peace.